Within this video I'll discuss the speed and depth of treatment. First of all, when we performed the massage on the client's lower back, we start off with effleurage, and this is to warm the muscles by bringing blood to the area. It also relaxes the muscles and stimulates peripheral nerves, which are all the nerves outside of the spinal column and the brain. And it'll also put the client at ease, so it'll make them feel relaxed that you've started the massage and you come into contact with them. We do this at a light depth to increase blood flow gently, because if you go in it at a deep pressure straight away, it can be quite uncomfortable. And we need to make sure that we perform this for quite a long time, because if you only do a brief one, then go into some quite deep techniques such as hacking, the client will be in quite uncomfortable pain. So once we've done this for maybe 5 minutes, we will move on to thumb kneading to perform a deeper massage, which this will break down muscle tissue, and it also breaks down scar tissue. Scar tissue is the fibrous connective tissue which forms a scar. It can be found on any tissue on the body, including skin and internal organs, where an injury, cut, surgery or disease has taken place and then healed. It's a common result of any bodily damage, like most people will have scar tissue in their body. And according to Vignali 2011, one of the biggest downfalls of having scar tissue form an injury site is it will never be as strong as the tissue it replaced. It can also limit your range of movement. For example, a runner, like an athlete, their stride length may not be as long as someone that doesn't have scar tissue, because their hamstring is preventing the flexibility from being as good as it could be, so the range of movement's not as long. This is like a disadvantage to their performance. So that's how sports massage can help increase performance, because if you're getting rid of that scar tissue by breaking it down, they won't have as much, so their range of movement can increase. And also after this, kneading also mobilises fluids and stretches the muscle fibres. And following this, you should perform effleurage, because it can put the client at ease. It shows that the massage is coming to an end. And I got a quote by Tritton 1993 which says, "Massage bombards the skin and subcutaneous tissues with stimuli, and this not only produces a local effect but may exert either a stimulating or soothing effect on the body as a whole, depending on the type of massage technique used." So when you've performed kneading and hacking, you actually stimulate the nerves, but then afterwards you can actually feel quite relaxed and soothed, because it can be used as stimulating or soothing.